Want to make phone calls from your Samsung Galaxy Watch7? Here's how. Swipe up from the watch face to access your apps. Find and select the Contacts app or the dialer. If using Contacts, scroll through and tap a specific contact. To make a call, tap the phone icon next to the contact's number. If using the dialer, manually enter the desired phone number. Tap the green call icon to begin the call process. When a call comes in, tap the green icon to answer or the red icon to decline. And that's it. Subscribe for more handy tech tips.